So I've been a Linux desktop user for about 20 years. I use Linux on my main machine, my daily driver, mainly GNOME, but I've used XFCE, Enlightenment, KDE, various other desktop environments throughout the years, different distros. I've used Ubuntu, Fedora, Red Hat. Currently, I use Manjaro probably for the past 5 years, and I've been hearing a lot about Windows 11, so I thought I'd give Windows 11 desktop a shot and see how it compares to my Linux desktop. So, my Linux machine, I'm running a System 76 laptop with 32 cores, 64 gigs of memory, and I have this old laptop around. It's a i3 with 4 gigs of memory, and so I figured I'd throw Windows 11 on that machine and see how it compares to my Linux desktop and see what kind of features they have and how it runs compared to my Linux desktop. So I guess the first thing we need to do is go to Microsoft's website and download Windows 11. So I'm at Microsoft's website and see if we can download Windows 11 desktop. There's a lot of stuff here. Let's see, we can go for business, Copilot. Here we go, Windows. All right, meet Windows 11. Let's get Windows 11. Let's click on there. So make the switch to a Windows 11 PC today. Okay, so I can shop to get a new Windows PC, but I want to download it from my existing machine here. Let's see, can shop for a new PC. We can shop for a new PC. Where can I download the Windows 11 desktop? Here we go, ready to upgrade. Log in to your Windows 10 PC and find out if it's eligible. Well, I don't have a Windows 10 PC. Windows Update, Settings. Don't see any download here. It's not looking like I can download the Windows 11 desktop. Let's see. I guess we'll have to buy a Windows 11 PC. Explore all Windows computers. Okay, so here we go. What do I want to do with my Windows 11 desktop? Well, I'm going to want to multitask. I'm going to use it for my family. What is this? So primarily used for, you can only select two. So I guess with the Windows 11 desktop, you have to choose what it is you want to do with it. And you can only pick two of these things. My Linux desktop, I can do all of these things with one desktop environment. I guess with Windows, you need to pick what you want to do. So well, I definitely want to multitask. I guess I would need multiple machines if I wanted my family to use it and use it for work as well. Um, so just for this test, I guess we'll do multitasking and video editing. So let's do some. Uh, okay, so now brands. What kind of brands? What's a gigabyte? I don't want a gigabyte. Here's Dell. I've heard of them before. Let's pick them. Okay, what features do we want? Copilot Plus PC experiences. I'm not sure exactly what that is. It's 12 of them. Windows Hello. Man, these are a lot of features. I thought downloading Linux and installing Linux was hard. There's a lot of options here. I don't exactly know what all this means. Windows Hello and Digital Pin. Um, just kind of wanted to get a desktop going and see what we can do, but it looks like there's a lot of options here, and I'm gonna have to do some research. I'm not really a Windows hacker, so I don't know much about Microsoft. I'm gonna have to do some research here and figure out what all this means and see if we can get set up and get going. I'm kind of discouraged so far with all these different options, so I'll do some research. I'll figure out exactly what features and all of that we need, what kind of version of the Windows desktop we need, and we'll do another video if I get to the point where we can actually start the install and see how it compares to the Linux desktop.